we have seen out of our experience what actually has been the role of the judiciary in our country, full stop. One after the other, the judiciary tried to interrupt the constitution in a manner they wanted to do, and even by one judge's point of view, either in the High Court or Supreme Court, they wanted to uphold that their views were supreme and none else's, full stop. Though we are in this democratic process and we believe in democracy and adult franchise, yet this view of the representatives of the people in this house and in the other house are not supreme only, the judge's views are supreme, full stop. This is nothing but a new nepotism on the part of the judiciary, deliver judgments as if they are the only kings and rulers in this country and nobody else, completely ignoring the will and consent of the people who send their representatives to this house to look after their welfare and well-being, full stop. Therefore, the question of erosion of the judiciary does not hold any ground, full stop. I have gone through one of the articles published in the Indian Express sometime before, full stop, about fundamental duties, particularly, they mention, and I say that the challenges follow the noble ideals that inspired our national struggle for freedom, full stop. Our national leaders took part in the national struggle and they aptly have said that there are certain fundamental rights and those rights, particularly referring to Article 14, 19 and 31 are, somehow or the other, being taken in view of directive principles of the state policy of the Constitution, full stop. I do not know what is their actual viewpoint, full stop. If their viewpoint is to stick to the land that is the fundamental rights are fundamental rights, then those fundamental rights are for whom question mark. Those fundamental rights are for the so-called higher strata of the society, comma, for the so-called haves and not for have-nots, full stop. What is their grievance, question mark. The poorer section of the society, comma, the vast multitudes of the country do not consider that fundamental rights are embedded in the constitution, full stop. They consider what their fundamental needs are, full stop. Their fundamental needs is that their hunger should be removed and their economic conditions readdressed, full stop. In view of those things, comma, which one is to be given more weightage, comma, the poorer sections who are demanding better transformation of the society, full stop. The problems of the poorer sections are to be given more weightage, full stop. This position, comma, in brief, comma, seemed to have shocked many people, full stop. With this view, comma, these articles, comma, or constitutional changes which are under consideration, comma, are welcome measures and ought to be framed, full stop. There is no doubt about it, full stop, close.